How to log in to University of Arizona Global Campus. So if you want to log into your University of Arizona Global Campus, then first open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Arizona login. And under your Arizona login, here you can scroll down and here you will have Student Portal under the University of Arizona Global Campus. You can simply click on that and it will take you to the login page of the University of Arizona Global Campus. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username on the first blank. And once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your user ID or your password, then you can go for need help signing in so that you can get some help while logging into your account. But if you remember your information, then simply enter your user ID and then your password and you can click on login. And if your information is correct, then it will log you into your University of Arizona Global Campus account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Arizona University of Global Campus. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.